What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarSource.com at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Talking to you about the beautiful and awesome car behind me. This is a 2020 RAV4 LE all-wheel drive with blind spot monitoring package. This particular vehicle is sold, and this video is mostly just to demonstrate for my customers who are in signing paperwork right now how to work their new vehicle. This is a 2020 LE all-wheel drive RAV4 in super white, like I said, with the blind spot monitoring package. You can tell that because it has the color matched outside mirrors, and there's your blind spot sensors there. We do have 17-inch wheels on this model. Up front here is your Toyota Safety Sense radar cruise control sensor. It does have LED headlights. We do have keyless entry. New RAV4s come with 2 keys. This one also has the all-weather mats package and Blackout Emblem package. All-weather floor mats and cargo liner, which is really nice to have. Underneath here is your spare tire, jack, and tool kit. Also, this platform here can be lowered for a lower floor and more cargo capacity. An additional thing you can do back here, if you remove this cutout here, along with these ones here, is so that you can stow this rear cargo cover away in case you got larger cargo and that's getting in the way. It does have a storage spot. To remove it, you just pull in on it and it'll come right out. You also have a cargo lamp back here. In the rear seat, to fold these seats down, there's a release right here. They'll fold flat. They will also recline as well. All weather floor mats in the rear. We've got a power port back here. Cup holder armrests. If we get in the vehicle, we got all your power options here: power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. The seat adjustments. This is an LE model, so it is a manual adjustment. The bar up front is going to let the seat slide forward and back. This lever here is height adjustment, so you can pump the seat up to sit higher, or you can pump the seat down to sit lower. This is your recline here. Steering wheel adjustment is here. This release will make it tilt and telescopic adjustable. Getting in the vehicle, we'll go ahead and start it up, get this AC running. It's a beautiful day here in Oregon. On the left side of the steering wheel over here, this dial is going to let you adjust the brightness of your dash lights. This is how you activate the automatic high beam feature. Now, headlights got to be on and a high beam's got to be on to actually fully activate that. You know that the auto high beams are active because you got this little green indicator here with the A. On the left stick, you twist for your headlights, push forward for high beams, your turn signals, left stick. The right stick is for your front windshield wipers, just go down for your different speeds. You can twist the end for your rear wiper. When you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to have that backup camera pop up automatically. Some other things you're going to want to know about this vehicle. I'm going to change positions here a little bit for the glare. Register your phone is pretty simple. Just press register your phone, go to the Bluetooth menu on your phone. It should be pretty self-explanatory. There's a few things you can customize on this screen that are important to go over. So to do that, you're going to press menu, hard key on the left side of the screen. Then on the touch screen, we're going to press menu, setup. once you're in the setup menu, you can scroll down over here to vehicle, select vehicle, and you can customize the vehicle customization. One thing that I like to change on mine, I live kind of out in the country, so when I get home, I like to let the dogs run out, and I like to see them while they're running out, so I changed mine to headlights to stay on for 90 seconds after you exit the vehicle. The default setting is 30 seconds. Some people also like the lights to just turn off immediately once you get out of the car. You also have a 60-second option there, but I'll set it back to the default, which is 30 seconds. Another thing you might want to customize, I pretty much don't go anywhere without my dogs if I'm not working, and so the default setting for your door locks is going to be second press it. So the default setting is going to be that you got to double click in order to unlock all doors. You can have it where you click unlock and it's going to unlock all doors just by changing these settings here. You can also change like if the vehicle's going to automatically lock when you take it out of park or at a certain speed, or if you just want to turn that feature off. Lots of cool things you can customize there. The home screen is another thing you can customize. This is your home screen. To customize that, you're going to go again, menu, setup, customize home screen. You can change that layout. You can also select what information is in each of those blocks. The map button will work just like you think it should, but only when you're connected through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This USB port here is the only one that's going to interface with the car for those services, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. When you plug in, unlock your phone, it's just going to work. One-time registration and you're done. Center console has the blanks to fill in if you want to remove your roof rack crossbars. You've got different drive modes here: eco, normal, sport, snow, mud, sand, rock, and dirt. Just changes how the vehicle's all-wheel drive system works. This button here turns off your traction control in case you wanted the tires to spin for one reason or another. This turns off an auto stop feature. So the car is set up to save fuel and reduce emissions by turning the vehicle off at stoplights when it's possible. Some people don't like that, so you can turn that feature off if you'd like. This is your climate control, on and off is here. Fan speed is the dial on the left, and temperature is the dial on the right. On the steering wheel, left side of the steering wheel, we've got volume control for the stereo, voice control, phone control. This button here will give you different information in this display. With your right hand, you got cruise control on and off here. When you tune on your cruise control, it is adaptive cruise control only. So you got a long, medium, or short following distance. That is adjusted by this button here when you're on cruise control. This button here turns on and off lane departure warning. Mode would take you from AM to FM to satellite radio, Bluetooth, whatever source you might have. Up top here, we've got different lighting options. We also have a SOS button for your Toyota Safety Connect and a sunglass holder. So this is our standard LE RAV4 all-wheel drive 2020. We're starting to get in some 2021s, but I also wanted to take a second real quickly. The vehicle that got these customers here to my dealership from hours away is this one. This is basically the same car, but it's $4,000 more. Reason for that $4,000 price increase is we have lifted this vehicle with a 2-inch ready lift kit. We've also upgraded the wheels and tires to more aggressive tread and a little more style with these 18-inch alloys compared to the 17-inch steel wheels with hubcaps that come standard. With just a little bit of upgrades, you can really change the look. Believe it or not, those are the same car. I hope the vehicle or the video was helpful for you. If you are in the market for a new vehicle, I'd love to help you out. You can reach me directly through my website, OregonCarSource.com, or come on to Gresham Toyota and ask for Pat the Car Guy. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more videos, and have a great day.